Yo, so guys, today we're having Mediterranean food in the form of chicken kebabs. So in my location, there's a place called Shawarma House that I found, and this place makes amazing food. It's a small hole in the wall next to the Great Wolf Lodge in Anaheim, if you guys know the spot. So we got the chicken kebabs. It looks amazing. It smells amazing. We got the rice, salad with a vinaigrette, some hummus with chickpeas. I love their garlic sauce. I don't know what's in it. I think it's a butter, but I heard it's just oil and garlic, and it is so freaking good. We got some hot sauce. And I don't know what this is. There's like a certain flavor to it that's familiar to me, but I don't know what this is. Some people tell me it's a yogurt sauce. I don't know. But I don't like this too much. Well, I don't not like it, but it's my least favorite. Like, it doesn't taste bad, but it doesn't taste good either to me. And then we got the pita bread. I'll leave the restaurant information in the description if you guys ever want to come out and support. Alright guys, it's 5 o'clock. This is my first meal. I am starving. I cannot wait to get started. This thing is like crack. It is so freaking good. Alright y'all, first hit. Cheers. Mm-hmm. It's so good. The chicken is perfectly cooked, well seasoned. The garlic sauce is just amazing. Let's try the hummus. Cheers. What's great about Mediterranean food is healthy. I never have regrets after eating Mediterranean food. It's also refreshing. And I never feel overwhelmed. It's just all different types of good. Oh. I don't eat Mediterranean enough, but I feel like I should start. Legit. Got a little garlic and hot sauce right there. So good. There's a light vinaigrette in the salad, so it's just enough flavor that it doesn't taste bland. Or this is hitting the spot for sure. Let's try this again. I don't know if it's I don't know if this is for the salad or for the chicken. Let's dip it with the chicken. Actually, not that bad. It tastes kind of seeds. The only flavor that this reminds me of is some type of seeds. It's like a ground up seed or something. I don't know. It's growing on me though. It's definitely growing on me. I actually haven't tried with the salad. I might be doing this wrong. I'm sorry if I haven't insult anyone. Yeah, it's not for us, no. Here you go, Joe. Good girl. I asked for extra garlic sauce. I got a second container. That's how much I love this thing. There's never enough garlic for me. There's never enough garlic. Always gotta eat your vegetables, guys. Get your fiber in. As someone who grew up hating vegetables, I'm such an advocate for it now. I give this dish probably like a 9 out of 10. 10 out of 10 if it wasn't so pricey. This whole plate was about 16 bucks. Maybe for Mediterranean food, that's decent. But I just think about all the other stuff that I can get for 16 bucks. And that is pretty pricey, but you do pay for healthy food too. So, yeah. 9 out of 10, 10 out of 10. Depends on how much money you got. I should put some hot sauce on this. Yes. What's funny is when I first got this, I didn't think I was going to finish the whole plate. I was going to maybe eat half, save the other half. Nope. It was so good, I killed the whole thing. And I had to come back to make a YouTube video. This is so good. And I feel good eating this. You know what I mean? In my perfect world, this would be similar to like a Vietnamese dish. And if this had like a cup of like hot soup, right? Whichever type of soup that would go well with this, just like wash everything down. That would be perfect. I think that's the only thing this dish is missing. Only because I'm Asian and I'm used to having a rice dish with a complimentary bowl of soup to kind of like wash it down, you know? Other than that, this dish is perfect. Might be eating a little too fast. You ever starve for so long and then eat so fast because you starved? You can literally feel your stomach expanding. That's me right now. Alright guys, the last bit of this garlic sauce before I open up the other one. I'll probably eat a piece of chicken with the hummus to try it out. Oh, excuse me. Ooh, excuse me. Cheers. Second, garlic butter sauce. When I said there could never be enough garlic, like I meant it. I really meant it. Your boy loves garlic. I love that smoky flavor to it. It's just so addicting. Remember, eat your veggies. So good. Drink your water, folks. Okay, let's do this with the hummus. You can't do hummus wrong. Hummus is just so good. I'm getting too full too fast. I think only because I fast for too long. I normally fast until 2 p.m., but I'm eating this at 5 p.m. So I think my stomach needs to stretch out a little bit. Can't open this and not use it. So good. The salad is a great refresher. It's great. It's there. I realize a lot of dishes have like a refresher or like a salad or something to offset the savory flavors of everything else, and it works perfectly. So you're not just stuck with one type of flavor. I appreciate cuisines that care enough about the balance in the meal, where you're not just eating one specific thing. I'm also trying to talk to burn calories because I do. Whenever I get full, I try to do a little extra talking, especially on my lives, to help digest. I'm gonna finish it though. Let's do chicken with just a hot sauce, because I didn't do that yet. I love my hot sauce. Your boy is full. But this is at the point where it's not even worth saving. So let's just try to push through and finish it up. The face of defeat. 2 pieces left. I got 2 pieces left. Well, this is my first meal. I need to finish this. Alright, guys. 2 big bites left. Let's do this. Love my garlic sauce. Hey guys, this one I'm gonna do with hummus. And I'll go back to the garlic for the last hit. But I also love my hummus hit too. Cheers. My dad's playing music outside, so I hope you guys aren't hearing that. Actually, for the last hit, let's put a little bit of everything like I always do. So some hummus. Got a little chickpea on top. Or like garbanzo bean, chickpea. Oh, wait. Are they the same? They're probably not. I don't know. Got a little garlic butter. Got a little the garlic sauce. I keep calling it garlic butter. I don't know if it's garlic butter. Got the hot sauce. And this other sauce, mystery sauce. Okay. That's it, y'all. Cheers. Mmm. Mm. Mm. Alright guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch you guys next time. Got a little garlic, got a little hot sauce garlic.